A missed call during scheduling can delay a job by a full day because most customers don't pick up unknown numbers, and phone tag turns a 30-second booking into a 30-minute delay. By the end of this, you'll know how to schedule jobs automatically, confirm appointments without calling, and reduce back-and-forth messages to almost zero. The core idea is simple. Stop scheduling through calls and move everything into a self-booking and automated confirmation system. Here's how it works. First, use a field service platform that supports online booking. Tools like Jobber and Housecall Pro let customers request or confirm jobs through a booking link instead of calling you. You send a link, they pick a time, and it drops straight into your schedule. That removes the phone call completely. Second, set up your availability rules. Inside the app, you define working hours, job types, and buffer time between appointments. That matters because it prevents double booking and stops your schedule from getting overloaded. Once that's set, the system only shows customers times you can actually fulfill. Third, automate confirmations. When a customer books a job, the system sends a confirmation message immediately. It also sends reminders before the appointment so you don't have to chase anyone manually. That replaces the just calling to confirm step most contractors still rely on. Now here's the part that saves the most time. Use job intake forms instead of phone calls. Instead of asking questions over the phone, you send a form that collects job details like address, issue type, photos, and preferred time. The customer fills it out once, and you don't have to call back for clarification. This is where scheduling becomes frictionless. Most missed calls happen because customers are busy during the day or don't trust unknown numbers. A booking link removes both problems. There's also a backup method if you still get calls. Send callers a text immediately after the missed call with your booking link. That converts a lot of inbound calls into self-booked jobs without speaking to anyone. So here's the simple setup. Use a booking-enabled field service app, define your availability rules, and switch every appointment request into a link-based system. Your next step is to test it on just one service type for 1 week before rolling it out to everything. If you want more ways to streamline your scheduling, like and subscribe for more field service workflows.